going to go ahead and replace our third brake light. It's located up here on the back side of the cab, right above your window. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to get and loosen and remove the two screws holding this component to the cab. Once we get those screws out, go ahead and set those aside. I'm going to grab the light and we're gently going to pull outward. As we lower this down, it's going to expose a wiring harness. I want to go ahead and disconnect our harness. I'm going to press down on the upper tab, gently wiggle it, and separate it. We'll go ahead and take your connector, line that up. You'll feel that snap into place. Now I want to go ahead and tuck that harness into the body. Go ahead and line that up. We have alignment pins on here. We're just trying to get those lined up so that that light pops into place. And here we go. Once we get those alignment pins in, go ahead and install our screws. I'm just going to get that one started here. Just a few threads, not going to tighten that one down. Let's go ahead and get our second screw installed. With both screws caught, let's go ahead and snug those down. Now once they bottom down, just a hair bit more. You don't want to over tighten this because you don't want to crack the new lens. Bottoms out, just a hair bit more. I'm just going to double check this one here. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.